In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom forms for your Odoo website step by step using the built-in website builder. Custom forms are perfect for collecting leads, contact requests, surveys, or any kind of user input directly from your site without writing code. This works on Odoo's website module and is beginner-friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Odoo website homepage. You can use your own domain or a demo database, but make sure you're logged in as an admin or a user with website editing permissions. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main website interface. Next, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Edit button. This switches your website into edit mode and unlocks the website builder tools. In edit mode, you can drag and drop blocks, customize layouts, and add new elements to your pages. Now that you're in edit mode, decide where you want your custom form to appear. This could be on a contact page, a landing page, or even your homepage. On the left-hand panel, scroll through the available blocks until you find the form block. In most Odoo versions, this is under the Forms or Dynamic Content section. Drag the form block onto your page and drop it in the desired location. As soon as you add it, Odoo will automatically insert a basic form layout with default fields like name and email. Next, let's customize the form fields. Click directly on the form to open the form settings. You can add new fields such as phone number, drop-downs, checkboxes, or text areas. For each field, choose the field type, set a label, and mark it as required if needed. This allows you to fully tailor the form to your business needs. Now, configure what happens when someone submits the form. In the Form Settings panel, choose the action after submission. You can create a new lead, send the data to a specific email address, or store it in a custom Odoo model depending on your setup. This is one of the most powerful parts of Odoo Forms because it connects directly to your CRM and backend. Next, customize the form's appearance. You can change the button text, adjust spacing, and align the form with your website's design. Make sure the form is clear, simple, and easy to use, especially on mobile devices. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right to publish your changes. Your custom form is now live on your Odoo website and ready to collect submissions. Finally, test the form by filling it out as a visitor. Submit a test entry and confirm that the data appears correctly in your Odoo backend or inbox. This ensures everything is working exactly as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom form for your Odoo website using the built-in tools. No coding required. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.